So over here you can see that I have this particular file right here and I made some changes to it right here. So now let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and access out the undo history of this. If I want to simply undo, then I can press Ctrl Z right here. But let's say I want to undo to a certain point. Then what I can do is I can go around over here onto Windows right here. Under Dockable Dialogues, I can go around and enable undo history. And I can see the undo history right here just like this. So now what I can do is I can go around onto certain spot of undo, as you can see right here. You can also go to base image right here and go to the beginning, as you can see right here. And depending on your undo settings, you see a different number of undos right here. But let's say I go to a certain undo spot right here and then make some changes. And what happens is that the undos then will be replaced from right then and there. After that, you can see that what happens is that if I were to go around and do any step, then everything is recorded. I can go back right here onto a certain spot, but as soon as I make some changes there, then what happens is that it replaces out the undo there. And that is how you can utilize the undo history dialog inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.